Hello guys, today I will replace the helmet heat shield harness on my Arctic Cat ZR7000. On some model, the harness can be placed under the handlebar just beside the heating seat switch. On my model though, it's installed on the hood section just on the left side of the cluster. So you might wonder why my hood is not installed on the snowmobile. It's because I had some other jobs to do. One of the left ski was a little off or on a bad angle compared to the right ski. Reason why my snowmobile was all taken apart because I needed to remove the airbox to get to the tie rod end. But I'm taking the opportunity of having the hood section on my bench to install the kit. So first thing, I got a problem because the kit is a universal kit, but the hole have been done too big. So if I install the kit like that, it's go right through the hole. So for this reason, I will put a washer behind it. But before installing the washer, I need to install the terminal allowing the power to get through the housing of the connector. So now I will install all of this, and of course it's just plastic nuts, so make sure not to over tight it. Now I need to put this little cap here without losing it. Still need to be tightened a bit. Is it hard enough? So now that it's installed on the hood, I'm ready to reinstall my hood back and connect all the wiring to the proper connector on the snowmobile. Okay, so now the dash section cluster thing is installed. As you can see, my switch is here. My connection for the shield, the heating shield, and I fished the wiring through here. As you can see, it got a heat shield wrapped around the wire and it's getting out here. Stay there, please. So I only left a tie wrap to install to hold my wire here. I will tie it up to this one so it won't go and touch the exhaust by mistake or with vibration if I jump or anything like that, and it will also avoid vibration and possibly cutting the wire on the heat shield here. And when you're here, this is obviously the engine oil reservoir and the chain case, but we have a spare plug here or spare connection, and as you can see, it is the same connection as the helmet shield harness that we just installed. So it's simply a matter of connecting it or connecting both connectors together. And there you go. It is installed, ready to keep your visor from fogging. So as you can see, when you have the right kit, it's pretty easy to install. It's basically plug and play. Just make sure if you don't have a harness installed at all on your machine, make sure that you install it at a place where you have enough, or your harness is long enough to reach the connection, but also make sure not to do the hole too big, because you will have problem installing the connector and you don't want to end up like me having to install a washer and it doesn't look so great. I'm lucky it's closing up pretty tight so it won't open with vibration or stuff like that. But it's very easy to install. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.